Willkommen to part 2, as they say in German, I suppose. Well, except they don't say to part 2, I'll probably say it in Germany. Something zwei. Anyway, right, we're going to continue the construction of this kit and I'll keep you updated, I suppose. And I'm also just eating my lunch. This is about a week later. Anyway, okay. As you can see from when it was dry, it's not went through. Some parts haven't sealed quite as well. I don't know if you can see it. The wings here have are a bit delaminated. Same on the other side. It just seems, but that can all be hidden with a spot of paint, or if you want to filler of some sort, any type of filler will do. Right, okay, at this point, it wants me to attach the bombs, missiles, and landing gear. Wing landing gear, I suppose, undercarriage, and drop tanks. But I'm not going to do that because I want to paint this before I attach any bombs or that. And also, I should have put the canopy on the cockpit, but I'm going to do that after I've painted. So I'm going to attach the outboard undercarriage and then just give the whole thing a few coats of paint. Thank you very much. So far the kit's going together real easily. I've probably said that in the last video, but the truth is it is going together easier than in the second part. In the first part of the video. Don't know how I got those two confused, but I did. So right now it is painting time. I'm not going to use any primers or that. I'm just going to use exactly what's coming in the kit, as this is a review and not a build thing for a model railway. So, well, let's get painting. Okay, first thing we want to do is open the paint. and then just give the paint a good stirring. But now that I think about it, okay. Let's get painting. The top of that just fell off, but I think that was my fault. Pumped a bit too hard. Yeah. Let's start with the tail. So this is where we are at with the first coat of paint. Sorry about that. It's not very good, it's just sort of roughly where it's going to be. I'm going to paint, I've got more to paint to be honest. I'm going to wait for this to semi-dry and then I'll put some green on it. Okay. Right, I've just stood for all the paints to see what colour they actually are. I was expecting definitely black because I know 33 is black, medium green, medium grey and white. What I wasn't expecting was a lighter shade of green and, well, a brighter shade of green and metallic silver because it's got, just point that there, it's got grey, red, blue, green, yellow, white, whatever. Yellow? There's no yellow. So that means I'm a wee bit limited for painting the cockpit. But I suppose I can just break into my own painting kit and paint it. I'm only going to use acrylics because I've only got water at the moment. So I'll just rummage through and see what I get. I've looked through my paints, only had a few acrylics. I think I binned most of my other ones because I don't remember. But anyway, we've got a nice bright purple. Yep, purple. Yeah, famous for in Harrier cockpits. Nice purple. Brown. I can use that for the guy's helmet. The inside of the cockpit green. The metallic sort of green that they use for anti-corrosion on the aircraft. Right, now it's time to add some green paint to the aircraft. This should be interesting.